Imagine waking up one morning, opening Google Maps to check your business, and just like that, it has vanished. Customers can't find you. Your profile is gone, and you are just there pressing the panic button. That, my friend, is what a Google My Business suspension feels like. And if your business depends on customers finding you online, omo, it's like being invincible. So what exactly is this wahala called Google My Business suspension? It simply means Google has temporarily or permanently removed your business listing from maps and search because you broke one of their rules. It's not juju, it's not your village people. It's just Google saying, my friend, you are not following policy. Think of it like getting bounced at the club entrance. You wore slippers, but you are insisting that you are VIP. Security will smile and still say, not today, sir. Now let's say it still happens. Google suspends your business. What do you do next? Step 1, don't panic. Step 2, read Google guidelines and figure out which rule you broke. Step 3, gather proof. Business license, utility bill, shop photos, whatever shows your business is real. Step 4, submit a reinstatement request and wait for some time, maybe a few days, maybe a week. It's like applying for a Nigerian passport renewal. You submit and then you wait. But at least with Google, you don't have to settle anybody now. Now before we move on, let me quickly show you exactly how to appeal a suspended Google My Business account. So once you find an email like this on your mailbox, the first thing you need to do is to just click on appeal. Now once you click on appeal, it will take you to the place where you need to appeal your Google My Business account, okay? And as you can see here, it's telling us manage appeals for your Google business profile, view moderation decisions, submit blah blah blah. Now they say you should confirm your account. You are currently signing, they will put your email address there. So once you are sure that this is the email you are signing, all you have to do is to click confirm. But if it is not, click on switch account. Now the next thing is appeal submission status. So if you notice down here, they said select an eligible decision to appeal for so business at, they will put your address there for you to confirm, okay? Then down there, you will see where they write the date. For instance, this account I'm appealing is September 23, 2025. So they put the date down there so that you can be sure of the actual offense you commit. So, and they put the offense there too. And under details here, they said eligible for appeal, which means this business still have a second chance. But assuming it's a business that they permanently ban, it will not be eligible for appeal. So what you need to do next is to just check that circle behind September 23. Once you check the circle, come down here and click on continue. Now here they are telling you to submit appeal. They say evidence needs to be added within 60 minutes for it to be included in your video. Please, I want you to note this. If you know that all the pictures and the evidence of your business are not ready now, don't click on this. Don't click on this, okay? Make sure everything is ready. The picture of the location, the picture of the address, like I said earlier. And once everything is ready, then you can now click on submit appeal. And once you click on that, it will show you appeal submitted. Then down there, you will see where they write add evidence. Now, immediately you click on add evidence, it will take you to where you have to add the evidence that you actually own this Google My Business account. As you can see, the email is already attached, the basic details are already attached. So all you need to do is to just add the images or the documents of your business, like the license, the utility bill, all of that. So just add them in each of it. You can also add your own picture and even your NIN or any form of government ID that you have to show that you are real and you are not a scammer. And also here you can just tell them that this is a legitimate business, blah blah blah, and you are running legitimately, you are a registered business, that's if you are registered. So make sure you tell them reason why they have no right to ban your business, okay? And they are asking, are you requesting a reinstatement for 10 or more locations? That's if you have more than one Google My Business account under the same business. So if you know that you are only doing it for one business, just click no. But if you know you are doing it for multiple businesses and multiple locations of your business, like different branches, click yes. Then proceed to click submit. And once you click submit, they are going to tell you your email has been sent. So evidence submitted, and they will get back to you very, very soon. And it's just as simple as that. So I want you to ask yourself, what are the wahala triggers that make Google press delete on your profile? The most common one is fake or incomplete addresses, like putting PO box or random virtual offices. Google wants real traceable locations. Another reason can be keyword stuffing in your business name. All in the name of you want to be found. You keep stocking different keywords, like I know people that might write best affordable barber shop in Lagos 24/7 with fresh cuts. My brother, that's not a name, that's an advert. Another thing most people usually overlook is duplicating things. One location, one profile. If you create 3 different listings for the same shop, Google will catch you. Then let's talk about wrong business categories. You sell puff, but you claim to be a hospital. Oga, who are you deceiving? What about uploading stock photos? Google can smell those shiny fake pictures. Use real photos of your shop, your team, or your work. I can't give you this list without talking about shady activities, like changing your name, address, and phone number every 2 days. Just like someone hiding from EFCC or buying fake reviews. So how do you stay safe and avoid this nightmare? This is very simple. Play by the rules. Use your real business name. Stick to a legit address if you don't have a walk-in shop. Use the service area option. One location, one profile. Pick the right categories for your business. Upload real photos, your shop, your staff, your products. Keep your name, address, phone consistent everywhere online, whether it's your website or your social media or any directory. Make changes slowly and carefully. Don't just wake up one morning and rebrand like you are running from EFCC. Just think about it. Most customers these days don't ask for directions. They just type on Google. If you are suspended, you are basically invisible, and invisible businesses don't make money. So instead of cutting corners, just do things the right way from the start. The headache of fixing a suspension is not funny. Moral of the story, play by Google's rules. If not, your business can disappear faster than NEPA lights. Meanwhile, if you haven't set up your Google My Business account, the video that just appeared next to me will guide you through. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more business survivor tips, and share this with that one friend who has a Google My Business profile. You might just be saving them from future heartbreaks. Always remember, whatever you do, never stop making money.